Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Start by relaxing your tongue and fold back the tip of the tongue toward the back of your throat. Then make a circle with your index finger and thumb. Put your fingers in your mouth, touching your teeth and your tongue. Then seal your lips around your fingers and blow out.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Fold your tongue back so that it floats in your mouth just before the lower front teeth. Lightly touch your tongue behind your lower teeth, keeping your tongue relaxed and loose. Your tongue will help produce the loud whistling sound, directing air through the space between your lips.
Take our lead.
Here's how. Wet your lips and pucker them. Blow air through your lips, softly at first. You should hear a tone. Blow harder, keeping your tongue relaxed. Adjust your lips, jaw, and tongue to create different tones.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The fingerless wolf whistle is achieved through lip and tongue placement. Push your lower jaw forward slightly. Pull your bottom lip up over your teeth. Your bottom teeth should not be visible, but your upper teeth can be.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Your bottom lip should be snug against your lower teeth. If you need help with this movement, press your index and middle fingertip on either side of the mouth to draw your lips slightly out at the corners and over your lips.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Keep the tongue rolled back and take your index finger and thumb and put them together to form a circle. Put your fingers in your mouth touching the tongue. Close your mouth and lips down around the two fingers and blow out. The air moving through your fingers and teeth makes the whistle sound.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.